Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the design of 8-bit BCD adder using 4-bit adder. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. So first we will see the 4-bit BCD adder. What is the detail of the 4-bit BCD adder? Then we will go for the design of 8-bit BCD adder. The BCD adder. The digital system handles the decimal number in the form of binary coded decimal BCD, that is 4 digit. Each decimal number is represented by the 4 digit, that is called a BCD, binary coded decimal. A BCD adder is a circuit that adds 2 BCD digits and produces the sum of digit also a BCD. Right? So BCD adder means it will add 2 BCD numbers, that is 4 decimal points. The decimal number is converted into 4 digits. So 2 4 digits numbers are added by the BCD adder and the output is also in a 4 digits BCD. Here implementation of BCD adder as follows. While implementing BCD adder, we need to follow the following instruction. 4-bit binary adder for initial addition. So we need a 4-bit binary adder. Similarly, 8-bit binary adder is also available, but 4-bit binary adder is a basic adder. First, we need to initialize the 4-bit binary adder. Logic circuit to detect the sum greater than 9. If the sum is greater than 9 means 10, 1 0. This 1 0 is represented, 1 is represented by 4 digits, 0 is represented by another 4 digits. Right? So we need to go for a other method if the number is greater than 10. If it is less than 10, that is from 0 to 9, say no problem. From 0 to 9, each digit is represented by 4 digits. For greater than 9 means 10, 11, 12. For that we need a 2 different 4 digits are there. So that we need to deduct whether the sum is greater than 9. Suppose if the sum is greater than 9, we need to do one more 4-bit adder to add 0, 1, 1, 0. That is nothing but 6. 8, 4, 2, 1. Right? 8 is 0, 4, 2 and 1, 1. So 4 plus 2, 6. We need to add the decimal equivalent of 6, that is 0, 1, 1 in the sum if the sum is greater than 9 or carry is 1. Right? So from 0 to 9 is not a problem. So simply it is represented by 4 digits. For greater than 10 means we need to add the decimal equivalent of 6, 0, 1, 1, 0 in order to bring back into the original value. And also if the carry is generated, in that case also we have to add 0, 1, 1, 0. Right? So these three things we need to keep in mind while going for a BCD adder. That is, first one is 4-bit BCD adder for initial addition. We need to check whether the sum is greater than 9. If the sum is greater than 9, we need to add 0, 1, 1, 0, that is decimal equivalent of 6 with the sum in order to get the correct answer. And also if the carry is generated, if the carry is 1, then also we have to do the same process. We need to add 0, 1, 1, 0. Right. Now we will see how to deduct this, the number, the sum is greater than 10. Right. So for that, the logic circuit to deduct sum is greater than 10 can be determined by simplifying the Boolean expression of the given truth table. By using this truth table, we can frame the logical expression that can be implemented with the logic gates so that we can deduct the sum is greater than 9. Right? Okay. So in this truth table, the input is available. Input is nothing but here the output of the BCD adder, S3, S2, S1, S0. The output is Y. This Y indicates whether the sum is greater than 9 or less than 9. For that we are using this output Y. Y equal to 1 means that indicates sum is greater than 9. Y is 0 means less than 9. We can put one more term C out in the above expression to check whether the carry is 1. Right? So the carry also taken into account. In any one condition is satisfied, we need to add 6 in the sum. Right? So the BCD adder, if the sum is greater than 9, we need to add the 6, binary equivalent of 0, 1, 1, 0 in order to get the correct answer. Right? So whether it is greater than 9 or less than 9 is indicated by the Y. Y equal to 0 means less than 9, Y equal to 1 means greater than 9. and also we need to take into account of carry. If the carry is generated also, we have to use the same process, that is we need to add the sum of 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, right. Now we'll see this truth table. So this is the bracket, it is given a decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See this up to 9 is a no problem. The y is 0 because greater than 9 only we have the problem. There are two different digits will be there, right. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So up to 9 the output y is 0, right. So the process is not needed, no need to add the 6 from 0 to 9, right. So greater than 9 what will happen, we'll see that. So this number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For that case, the two digits are there. One is represented and a BCD separately. The 0 is represented as a BCD separately. So for these cases, we are adding the 6. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 is added, so that we got the final answer, right. So here is the y is indicated as 1, 1, 1, right. So far up to 9, y is 0. The process is not needed, no need to add 6. Thereafter from 10 to 15 we need to add the 6 because greater than 9. So that we marked as the output y equal to 1, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones are available. The output y equal to 6 times 1 for a 6 different cases from 10 to 15, right. So now this expression, this Boolean from this truth table, we need to develop the Boolean expression for the output y in order to implement with the logic gates, right. For that we can use this, the K-map, Karnaugh map technique can be used to find the expression for the output y, right. So what are the inputs there? S3, S2, S1, S0. This is nothing but the output from the BCD adder. S3, S2, S1 is the sum output from the BCD adder. That only we are checking whether these 4 digits is greater than 9 or less than 9. S3 and S2 is represented vertically. S1 and S0 is represented horizontally. S3, S2, 2 digits are, so that 4 combinations are available. Similarly, S1, S0, 2 digits, so 4 combinations are available. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So there are 6 ones are available, right. So these 6 ones are marked here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the tabular column, it is marked in the K map. The remaining terms are 0, right. So by grouping the grouping the ones, we can able to find the simplified expression for the output y, right. So here there are 2 groupings are available. These 4 ones are grouped together and these 4 ones are grouped together in order to get the simplified form. Now see these 4 ones are grouped together. The corresponding row we need to verify. This corresponding row what we have 1, 1. What is 1, 1? S3, S2, right. 1, 1 means S3, S2. These corresponding columns are cancelled. 0, 0 cancelled by 1, 1, 0, 1 cancelled by 1, 0, right. So this the combination of this grouping of these 4 ones is nothing but 1, 1, that is S3, S2. Now grouping of these 4 ones, you need to refer the corresponding third row and fourth row. Third row 1, 1, fourth row 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0 means the second term 1, 0 got cancelled. This 1 and this 0 got cancelled. Only this 1 is available. What is this 1? Is S3. That is S3, right. S2 is cancelled. Similarly, we have to refer the third column and fourth column. 1, 1, 1, 0, right. First one is available. What is first one? S1. So this S1 is there. Second term, here 1, here 0 got cancelled. S0 got cancelled, right. So what we have? S3, S1, right. So the output y, that is the circuit to detect whether the final answer is greater than 9 or less than 9. That is indicated by y. That is S3, S2 plus S3, S1. Right. So we need to implement this logic circuit in order to detect whether the final answer is greater than 9 or less than 9. So now we discussed the 4-bit BCD adder. Now we'll see how to design the 8-bit BCD adder. To implement 8-bit BCD adder, we have two cascaded 4-bit BCD adder. To get the 8-bit BCD adder, 4-bit BCD adders are connected in cascade, connected in series. In cascade connection, carry out of the lower position is connected to the carry input of the higher position, right? So the carry from the first BCD 4-bit BCD adder is given to the carry out is given to the carry in of the second BCD adder, right? So 8-bit BCD adder is constructed from 4-bit BCD adder. The output of C out of first BCD adder is connected to the C in of the second BCD adder. Now we'll go to the circuit diagram. So in order to implement the 8-bit BCD adder, we have 4-bit BCD adder. There are two 4-bit BCD adders are available. It's connected in series. First we'll see the first BCD adder. This is the first 4-bit BCD adder. So this is the first number. A3, A2, A1, A0 is the first BCD number. B3, B2, B1, B0 is the second BCD number. In that the first 4 digits. The first 4 digits of the first number, this is the first 4 digits of the second number. The second 4 digits are available in the second BCD adder, right? This is the first 4 digits of a first BCD number as well as second BCD number. So this is the 4-bit BCD adder. The carry in, the initially it is 0, right? So this is the output of the BCD, two BCD numbers, first 4 digits and first 4 digits of first number and second number, S3, S2, S1 and S0, right. So here the carry also generated. So here what we need to do, if the carry is generated as well as if the decimal number is greater than 9, we need to add the 6 with the answer. So 6 with this and 6 with this output in order to get the final value, right. Now we'll see this diagram. So this is the logic diagram. To implement with the greater than 9 means to add the 6. Here 6 is added, right. So if the carry is generated, that is one of the input to the OR gate, and also S3 S2 plus S3 S1, that is the expression for Y, right. So that also given as with the AND gate, that is also connected with OR gate, right. If the carry is generated, the output of OR gate will be high. So at that time also this will be enabled. First and last digit is 0, second and third digit is connected with the OR gate. So that 0, 1, 1, 0 will be there. That is nothing but decimal equivalent of 6, right. So this is the answer. With that 6 is added in order to get the final value, right, S0, S1, S2 and S3, right. So this is the logic circuit to detect whether the answer is greater than 9 and also carry out. In both the cases, this 6 is added with the answer in order to get the final value. So this is the lower bits. Here this is, now we are doing the 8-bit BCD addition. So this is the first 4 bit. The first 4 bit of the first number and second number is added. This is the answer of the first 4 bits, right. Now we'll go to the next 4 bits. So we'll go to the next BCD adder. So this carry out is given to the carry in of the second BCD adder, right. We'll go to this. So this is nothing but next 4 digit of the first number, next 4 digit of the second number. The previous BCD adder add the first 4 digit. This is next 4 digits. So both are added together. The answer is S0, S1, S2, S3. Right. Again here we need to check whether this number is greater than 9 or less than 9, and also carry is generated. If the carry is generated and the decimal number is greater than 9, we need to add the 6, right. So it's the same thing here, carry is connected. This circuit is used to detect whether the decimal number is greater than 9. S3, S2, S1, S0. First is S3 and S2 is connected. Here S3 and S1 is connected, right. We need to connect with the S1, right. So carry as well as due to this logic circuit, if it is high, that is given here. Same thing what we discussed earlier. This first and last digit is 0. these two are 1, that is 0 1 1 0, that is equivalent to decimal number 6. So that is added with this answer in order to get the final answer. So this is the final answer. The next 4 digit of the BCD, 8-bit BCD adder, that is digit 1, previous one is the digit 0, right? So this carry is ignored, right? So here we used 4-bit BCD adder. First 4-bit BCD adder give the first 4 digit of the answer. Next 4-bit BCD adder give the remaining, the next 4 bit of the BCD adder, right? So we got 8 bits. So finally we are using 2 4-bit BCD adder to in order to get the 8-bit BCD adder, then 8-bit BCD output, right? So in this video we discuss about how to design a 8-bit BCD adder using 4-bit BCD adder. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.